Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 2 that spent a cozy evening together. I just finished dinner and I'm getting ready to hop in the shower, so grab a cozy drink, get comfy, and let's unwind together. I'm just gonna clip up my hair because I washed my hair last night, so it'll just be a quick body shower. I'm using this hairbrush from Tangle Angel and it's literally so good. It gets out all the knots and literally just glides through your hair. This works on wet hair too. Love this so much. I also love Tangle Teaser too. I love my MEJ clips because my hair is so thick and it is so hard to hold all of my hair, but this does an amazing job. I got this as a gift, so I'm gonna try it out tonight. It's basically a sponge infused with body wash. It's so cute and festive. It's in the shape of a Christmas tree. I just took this out of the packaging and I'm already seeing a problem. I thought the stream was gonna be attached to this, but it was just part of the packaging. You are supposed to use this up to 7 times, but I don't think so because it's gonna get so moldy if I'm not hanging it up. Out of the shower and that sponge is a no for me. Right after I washed off the body wash, my skin felt so dry. It is so stripping and I was still in the shower, and the fact that my skin felt really dry and tight is a problem, so I went in with another body wash. Anyways, now I'm gonna lather myself with this Rosa Charmosa cream from Sol de Janeiro. I don't believe they have anything rose scented. I love anything floral and fruity. This is like a mix of floral and gourmand. I think there's a little bit of caramel in it or honey. It literally smells like a floral dessert. Always make sure to use body cream after you get out of the shower, especially during the winter because it is extra dry with the heat on. A nice plush robe is key to having a cozy night. This one I believe is from the brand Laura Ashley, but I got it from Marshall's. It is so cute. It's basically a dupe for the Love Shack fancy one because that one is $200. I think I got this under $20. Anyways, I'm gonna go bake some cookies and put on a Christmas movie to get into the holiday spirit. Back in the bathroom, we're gonna do our skincare while the cookie is baking. I've been testing out this spray from La Roche-Posay. I got the serum in Korea and I've been loving it. This is great for my acne-prone girlies. I discovered this brand Glow in Korea and I've been really loving their moisturizer. This consistency is so thick. I literally just use it like an overnight sleeping mask, so it just locks everything in. I'm using this lip sleeping mask from Tatcha. Skincare is done. Cookies are out of the oven and the peppermint smells so good. While the cookies cool off, I'm gonna pour myself a glass of milk. Is it weird if I add ice to my milk? Got my cookies and a glass of milk. Let's go watch a movie now. What Christmas movie shall we watch? Are there any out on Netflix yet? Christmas movies. Really yours this Christmas? They all look like really bad Christmas movies. A Paris Christmas Waltz. Okay, let's watch that. I love Paris, so let's give it a go. This is so salty.
I was really excited for the cookies.
Just gonna fill up my Stanley before I go to bed. I need my water to be ice cold or else I can't drink it. Alright, good night you guys. Thank you for unwinding with me. See you guys in episode 3.